Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. I have another video for you guys. I'm so excited about this one. I really love how these little wands turned out. I just love them. I think they look so cute, so adorable, and I think they have like kind of like a vintage vibe to them. They're pretty simple, pretty basic, but I really do love that it is so simple, and I think that you guys can really bling this up if you really want to with so many other things. I decided to keep mine simple, but you can again do whatever you want with yours. I'm going to show you how to create these right now. So let's get started. Okay, so with the supplies that I have here, what I use for my wand is the doily that I love to use that I got at Michael's. This is the canvas doily that I use this doily basically on all my projects. I'm really obsessed with this doily, and I got this at Michael. So the base of the wand is going to be the doily. I also have here some cupcake liners that I also believe I purchased last year from Michael's. I haven't seen any cupcake liners this year yet. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting, but for now, I've been to Michael's a few times, and I haven't seen anything that is cupcake related. They do have their Halloween stuff out though, and they're absolutely adorable. So what I did with my cupcake liners, what I do with all my cupcake liners, I fold it in half and then I squish it in the middle, okay? To create myself a nice little, kind of like a rosette kind of look. You can play around with it. If you want to make it smaller, then you can just keep squishing it in the center to make it the size that you want, okay? Boom. I have here this adorable silver straw that I got at the Dollar Tree, I believe. You can use Halloween inspired straws. I use this one because I want to keep my embellishment kind of basic, but if you want to use Halloween inspired straws with like Halloween decorations, you can use that, okay? What you're gonna do with your straw is you're going to kind of squish the straw. I'm squishing about this much, okay, of my straw, and I'm using my fingers to just squish it because you want this to be flat on your cupcake liners. You can hot glue it and you don't have any bumps. So just with your fingers, kind of squish this as much as you can, and that's going to give you a nice flat surface to hot glue it down to your cupcake liner, okay? So let's do that now. I'm going to add some hot glue on the back of my straw. And I'm going to add it to my cupcake liner right in the middle, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is, on the back of my cupcake liner, I'm going to put some hot glue and I'm going to glue this down to my doily. Glue this down to your doily. If you need to scrunch it now before it glues down completely. And you should get something like this. You see that? How pretty that looks? Let's put this on the side for now. We're gonna work on the embellishment. So what are we using for the embellishment? It's very simple. I'm using these wood veneers that I got from Michael's last year. These are little skeleton shaped faces, really cute, very sparkly. I don't know if you see that, but maybe my light is too light, but it's very sparkly. We'll use one of those. And I'm also using these witch hats that I also got at Michael's last year. And these are just super adorable, these little witch hats. I love the sizes of this wood veneer. It's big enough that you can definitely work around it, but not too big. You know what I mean? I love that. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the little dimension, puffy dimension that's in the back of the wood veneers, okay? You can either save these for, I don't know, another project, or, you know, throw them out. Whatever you want to do with them. They both have it, so you have to remove both of them, okay? They will fall apart some of them will fall apart. Just do the best you can to remove them. Okay, once you have those two little things removed from the back of your wood veneer, you're going to hot glue your hat to your, here, let me put you close, I'm sorry. You're going to hot glue your hat to your adorable little skeleton face, okay? So we're going to tilt the hat a little bit, and we're going to hot glue it onto our little skeleton face, okay? So let's use some hot glue. Actually, I'm going to put the hot glue on the skeleton right here. And you're going to add your hat. And you should get something like this. You see that? How fun that looks. Okay, let's put this on the side. Now, what I did with these is, if you, which there's nothing wrong with it if you want to do it that way, but you shouldn't really do it that way, because in a way it doesn't look so bad. Actually, looking at it now, it doesn't look so bad, but you can kind of play by ear. You can either glue directly your adorable little skeleton onto your straw, or what I did is I kind of just cut out a circle with my punch. I used my punch and I did a circle, and I'm going to add this circle on the back of my little skeleton face, because that kind of gives it more of a dimension look to my skeleton. Plus the eyes are more visual. I don't know, to me it looks better this way. You don't really have to, but if you want, it also makes it easier for your skeleton to adhere to your cupcake liner, okay? So that's what I did with mine. You don't have to do that with yours. You can also go back and add some googly eyes if you want. It's up to you, to be honest with you, okay? So I'm going to add some hot glue to my skeleton forehead and around the mouth area. And then I'm going to add my little circle punch. And I'm going to make sure that it's kind of sticking out a little bit. See that? And you should get something like this. I kind of like that. Again, you don't have to, but it makes it easier to glue it down to your cupcake liner. Okay? So now, basically, we're done. All we gotta do is just hot glue our little skeleton onto the cupcake liner, and we're basically done. I mean, literally, that is all we need to do. So let's do that now. I'm going to add some massive hot glue on the back of my little skull or skeleton. I'm going to add some in here as well. And then I'm going to add this right in the center of my cupcake liner. And literally, that is all we need to do for these ones. I mean, like, isn't this like the simplest thing ever? That's it. That is how you create these adorable little wands. Literally in no time, guys. Now, you want to go back and add some googly eyes? You could. I don't know. I know you're shocked that I'm not adding googly eyes to my embellishments, because I add googly eyes to everything. But I wanted to keep it simple. I don't know. I just love the idea of just keeping it as simple as possible. But it's just, I love it. I think it turned out so cute. So the other thing that I did with these over here is I added a cute little bow to the tip of the hat, and I added a nice little tiny pom-pom. So let me show you what I used for that. Finally, I get to use this beautiful, amazing, gorgeous tool that I got at the Dollar Tree last year. I haven't used this, like, I don't know how to use it. I know you can use this making like wreaths and all that stuff, but I think it's just so beautiful that I just don't want to use it. I want to use it in the right way, where all these beautiful, like, look at this, all this beautiful shininess shows. So it's just so gorgeous, right? I love it. I got this in different colors. I got this in purple, this beautiful orange color, and I think gold. So I haven't seen this yet at the Dollar Tree, so hopefully this year they also will come up with it. Okay, so what I did with that is I just cut out a little strip of that, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this strip in half. Basically. So you're gonna get two little strips like this. You're gonna put these together. You're going to basically twist them around a few times. Okay, just a few times, once or twice. And you're gonna hold it in the center, keeping that bow shape. You have some kind of ribbon, twine, thread, something to wrap this around so that you can keep your bow in shape, is what I basically did. So here I have this nice little tiny string, and I wrapped it around, and I'm going to make basically 2 knots to it. Here's 1 knot. Make it tight, and then make a second one just to make sure that it doesn't go undone. There we go. Play around with your bow, keeping it the shape that you like, and then just cut out the extra little string. And then we're going to hot glue this bow onto the tip of the hat of our little wand. So here's our wand right here. We're gonna hot glue this just roughly right here, okay? You're going to hold on to it for a few seconds. And then you're going to get your pom-poms that you have. And you're going to add a cute little pom-pom right in the center of the little bow. Here I have my orange pom-pom. Add it right in the center of that bow. Squish it down so it can adhere. And we're done. That's it. We're done. That's all we need to do to create this amazing, adorable little wand. I love it. I think it's so cute. There you go. And there you have it. That's basically all we need to do to create these adorable little wands. What do you guys think? You like them? They came out cute, don't they? I just love them. I think they turned out so adorable, so cute. These would be perfect to add as goodie, like in a goodie bag, or maybe like in a Happy Meal. You having maybe like a birthday party, not birthday, I'm sorry, a Halloween party. You can add these in a Halloween party, as favors, maybe even as cupcake toppers, or maybe like maybe on top of the cake. You can add a few of these on top of the cake as like cake decorations. These are so cute. You can use these in so many ways. I just love them. I think they turned out really cute. Okay, my loves, I hope you enjoy watching me make these adorable little wands. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me on Instagram to see more beautiful pictures of this adorable little embellishment. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much, so much for always returning back to my channel and for all your amazing comments and your likes. Keep them coming. We're almost close to 10,000 subscribers. Love you all, guys. Have a fantastic weekend and be safe out there. Bye, honey bunnies.